In Brazil, one particularly shy animal is reaching the end of a 250-mile journey. Almost 3 feet long, she is a giant river turtle. And she's not alone. Tens of thousands of females have synchronized their arrival. Each year, the river waters drop, exposing beaches for just a few months. And all these females have come here to lay their eggs, to isolate it, and vultures will make a meal of them. There is a lot at stake. She has to dig 2 feet down, where the humidity and the temperature are just right. Finally, it's time. She lays close to 100 eggs into her nest and gently buries them. She and the others must now return to the river, leaving their young to their own fate. 2 months later, the eggs have hatched. These baby turtles are tiny, 3,000 times smaller than their moms. And they're trapped. The sand above them has baked hard. There is only one thing that can free them. As the sand softens, something remarkable happens. It sounds like the hatchlings are talking to one another. They seem to be saying, "It's time to go." And every nest on the beach begins to open.